Hi all, my name is Vaibhav Raje. I'm from Mumbai and I'm a business owner myself. So in this period of lockdown, I had an amazing opportunity to learn about how you can set up your own online business and also make it profitable for yourself. So in times of this crisis, it's very challenging to have your finances and your income sorted out. But Rupa has designed a beautiful program which will help you overcome that challenge and make you learn how to set up your own online business and also make money from it. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but this is a thorough process, a detailed learning process on how you can set up your own online business and be successful in it. She takes you through a very systematic process of learning using various engagement techniques and accelerated learning techniques, which makes the process very easy and very fun to learn as well. So I learned a lot of things, and a lot of my mysteries, a lot of myths about this online business have been uncovered by Rupa. So if you're interested, get in touch with Rupa and sign up for one of her programs. Thank you so much. All the best.